Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video for you. This time, another box. That means it's another unboxing. So yeah, stay tuned to see what I got. So a week ago, now I don't know when this video is gonna go up, but a week ago from today, which is May 2nd, I believe, FASHIONPHILE had a coupon for 10% off in addition to what the sale price of the items were. So FASHIONPHILE, if you guys don't know, hardly ever comes out with coupons, and so whenever a coupon comes out, you have to capitalize on it. I'm not waving this blade around, but yeah, so I did. Now I don't need anything else in my collection because I am trying to get rid of some stuff because I just don't use a lot of stuff. But when a coupon like this comes along, like I said, you have to, see if there's anything that you can basically use or you think you'll be able to use, and so that's what I did. I looked. So this coupon was only for sale items. So if something was a new arrival or if it was not marked down at all, then you would not be able to use it. It was only available to use on items that were already on sale. Now, if you are not familiar with how FASHIONPHILE works as far as sales go, so there are different tiers of percentages off, sort of like Target, how they mark things off, like 10, 20, 30%. So FASHIONPHILE does the same thing. They start out at a 10% reduced price, and this is, I believe, maybe after a month of being unsold from the time that they post it. And then maybe a month after that, they bring it down another 10%, so it becomes 20% off. And then another month after that, it becomes 30% off. And then like a month after that, it becomes another smidgen percent off before they finally just send it off to auction through eBay. So let me go ahead and open this because then that's what you guys hopefully came here to see. So I'll go ahead and put it up here. I'll open the box. And only a few people who were really anxious to know what I got actually knows what this piece is. So hopefully to everybody else it's a surprise. Here is a hint that it appeared on my, or not this particular bag, but another bag just like it, appeared on my what's on my FASHIONPHILE watch list video. And so let me show you what's in here. So here you can see, I swear FASHIONPHILE has some of the best packaging. Like the inside, it's all FASHIONPHILEd out. Okay, so here you got some purple and gray confetti, and here is my receipt, and here's a big thank you card. Alright, let me bring this out. They didn't give me a, oh they did, ha, it just fell up. So I also got a FASHIONPHILE nail file. I don't even use these, but it's always nice to have free gifts included in your package. Okay, so here is the item. You can see used is the new. Let's take it out. So it comes with a very nice FASHIONPHILE dust bag. And let me open it up. You guys have any guesses? Leave them down below before I open it. Okay, so here, let me tease you guys. Oh, you guys already see the color. So you can see it's a very bright color. Let me just go ahead and take it out. Oh wow, this is a lot brighter than I thought. Okay, here is, oh, I just hit myself in the cheek. Here is the bag. It's such a beautiful color. And I think the color, here, let me see the tag. So it does not say the color, but I think it's called vert acide, which I think it's green acid in French. But it's more of a yellow. Let me pop this corner out just to poof it out. Oh, and so the inside, here is the original dust bag. So it is very nice that FASHIONPHILE gives you a dust bag of their own, even though that the item comes with a dust bag also. It comes with some air paper. And here is the inside. It's like a gray. And so the biggest thing about this bag, and I believe it's why nobody had purchased it, is because it did not come with the shoulder strap. But I'm just looking at this bag right now, and there's a little bit of dirt. Let me just try to focus it. There's a little dirt on the, and it's not focusing. There's a little dirt on the corners, but I mean, that's the bottom, and you could expect that. And there's a little bit of dirt on here too, but I could probably just wipe that. But the bag itself is such a beautiful bag, and there's not anything wrong with it. So let me show you why I was okay with this not having a strap. So the glazing is in either a dark gray or a black glazing. And let me just show you. So I have that same bag in Damier Graphites, and I thought so I purchased this bag in the boutique, and I was considering selling it. But so here is the strap for this bag, and I thought I could just go ahead and use this strap on this bag here. So let me go ahead and put that on and see how it looks. This is such a beautiful bag, and I got it for such a good deal. I could not pass it up. So look, so here is the strap. Let me put this a little bit. So it's a black strap with a yellow bag. What do you guys think? So yeah, that's why I thought I could still use this bag even though it did not have the strap with it. And yeah, I think I could definitely use the bag. So my other bag, and I'll show you guys this in a different video, where I show you the different colors in this leather. So the bag is full leather. This is, if you're not familiar, it's called Damier Infini. It's sort of similar to, so this is the men's line collection of the imprinted leather. The women's line is called Damier Empreinte, where it's basically imprinted with LVs, the monogram LVs. This is actually imprinted with the Damier squares. And so yeah, I think it's really, really cool. And let me just see what the date code is on this, because I want to see how old it is, if I could find it. So here is the date code, and it is CA5104. which means it was made in the 50th week of 2014. So this is a 4-year-old bag. Well, it's getting up there, but it is such an really... So my battery just cut off, but what I was saying is that this bag is about 4 years old, and it's such in really good condition. And if it's anything like my other bag in the blue, I have shown you guys that bag before, it's because I just never really used it. And you're probably asking me, if I don't really use the blue bag, why the hell did I buy this one? But there's a little part of me that is a collector. And I do hopefully have the occasion. So it's springtime now here in Minnesota, thank goodness. And I think this is such a beautiful color that I will take it out with me on some occasion. So yeah, again, here is the bag, yellow with the black strap that I plan to use with it. Who knows, I could even use the other strap, the cobalt blue one with this bag also, and that would be really cool. But yeah, that's all I really wanted to share with this video, is my new bag that I got from FASHIONPHILE by using that 10% off coupon. So like I said, again, these coupons do not come around very often, and so if it does come around and there is something on there that you're thinking about, I suggest just get it, because FASHIONPHILE also has a very nice return policy. If I didn't like this bag, I could return it, I think, within 30 days. And they provide shipping for free, and yeah, full refund. They don't charge any restocking fees or anything like that. But I'll definitely keep this bag because I got such a good deal with it. Now, I got such a good deal with it because if you have seen my FASHIONPHILE watch list video, it's because they originally had the bag at $1,000 less for what they considered retail, and so the retail on this bag was $2,600, but they had said, you know how sometimes FASHIONPHILE has a retail cost of it? They had the retail cost at $1,600, and so if you could just imagine this bag, what they started out selling to begin with, and this bag was already in the 30% off category. And so I took another 10% off of that, and this was a steal. I won't tell you guys what the price was after I applied the coupon, but let's just say that it was definitely a great deal. So yeah, again, that's all I really want to show with this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, hopefully you guys stay tuned for new videos, and until next time, just remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.